Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare retinol and salicylic acid. Retinol, a vitamin, a derivative, is known for its skin renewal properties, while salicylic acid, a beta-hydroxy acid, excels at exfoliation. Both are powerful ingredients that address various skin concerns, but their mechanisms and primary benefits differ. Understanding these differences is key to choosing the best option for your skin. Retinol is a powerhouse for anti-aging. It works by encouraging rapid cell turnover, which helps to diminish the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. Regular use can significantly improve overall skin texture and tone, making your complexion look smoother and more radiant. It also aids in stimulating collagen production and can reduce the visibility of hyperpigmentation. Salicylic acid is a go-to ingredient for those battling acne and oily skin. As a beta-hydroxy acid, it's oil-soluble, allowing it to penetrate deeply into pores to dissolve sebum and dead skin cells. This action helps to prevent and treat breakouts, reduce inflammation, and minimize redness. It provides effective exfoliation without being overly harsh on the skin. Deciding between retinol and salicylic acid depends on your primary skin concerns. If you're focused on anti-aging, improving texture, and reducing sun damage, retinol is likely your best bet. For acne, oily skin, and clogged pores, salicylic acid is highly effective. Always consider your skin type and sensitivity, and for tailored guidance, consulting a dermatologist is always recommended.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.